Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I'm just casting my eye around at all these fresh flowers and I've got such a mess here, but it's a floral mess and I love it. Now I want to introduce you again to the Hanataba Kenzan. Oh, it's changed my life. I absolutely love it. It's strong and it's weighty, and you know what? You can do many things with this. You can go as high as you like because guess what? It's super strong. And this was one I did another day and I just want to come back and share just how beautiful they are. And you don't need a lot of flowers. You don't. Okay, so today with this one, I want to incorporate, hold on, I knew when I was picking these that I shouldn't have been doing this, but anyway, too late. Now this flower here is called a flax flower and it is native to New Zealand. I saw it growing on the side of the road and I stopped and I picked it because I want to share how great this is. Yes, I love it. Did you see how that just went in there so quickly and easily? Perfect. Oops, I'm making a terrible mess. Now this one can go over to here. And I'm putting this in now at this stage because I think that that's going to stay in there for now. Get rid of all these bits that are falling down. I love Bird of Paradise and I just want you to know that finding a vehicle in which, or a vessel in which to put them in can be pretty hard. Right, look at that up there. Now, let's bring in another one, which I'm going to bring in and over to there. I just want to poke that through. Oh, perhaps it doesn't want to poke through. I'll just turn this around. I know that I haven't got those in firmly yet, so I'm just going to stop and I'm going to do it. Right, just stop and do it. And I thought that Bird of Paradise could just go out and over there. And then I wanted to bring in some sunflowers, beautiful tall sunflowers. How amazing is this? This is what I call true designing. You let the flowers do the talking. And then with this one, I'm just going to bring this down to the other side and that can just go around and into that. Now, little bit of an issue. I've got one there and I've got one there, and over here, this is, I tell you, once you get them in there, hard to get out. This needs to go down to there, and I'm going to poke that out. These little prongs are so strong. I love it. Now, what else have I got? Oh, I've got these here. These Lucas Pernam reflectors, or pin cushions. I've got those. So I'm just going to bring those down and into there. You do have to apply a little bit of pressure to make sure that they stay in. Squishy flowers are much better, but I don't have squishy flowers. I've got hard flowers. And if I'm going to be testing something, I just want to see how far I can take it before we have a disaster. Take all those extra leaves off. That one can go round and into there like so. And then I've got a couple of these. So I'm just going to bring that down to there. Like, oh, you see, the softer the stem, the easier it is to get into here. But that's not to say that you can't get it in, because you can get it in. Now, what else have I got here? Oh, I've got this. Look. This here, take off all the leaves. We don't want those in there. And I'm just going to bring that. Now, that there is annoying me, so I'm going to cut that off. And I'm going to show you what it's looking like in a minute. Look at that. Is that just beautiful? It's got space and the flowers are floating through it. And I've got some of these too, and I just want to put in a few asters, because asters, believe it or not, just happen to be one of my most favourite flowers. Now that is annoying me, so I'm just going to cut that off, and I'm just going to put that into there, like so. Do I like that in there? Well, actually, I do. Isn't that just fabulous? Is this the best designing that you've ever come across, the best tool that you've ever encountered? It's fabulous. I love it. I love it a lot. And or you could go on and on and on doing whatever you wanted. And I've got one of those, so I'm just going to use that up because I've got it. And I think that that will just fill in that little space there. And I've got one on the little one for over the other side. Out to the garden, wander around, pick here, pick this, pick that. You don't need very much, but look at the statement. Tall, and it's not falling over. It's not wide, but I don't want it to be too wide. I just want to have this beautiful moment of, I went into nature, I picked a few flowers, one of this, couple of that, bring them in and just slot them in. I love this new Kenzan, and it's in my toolbox, and we are going to be going and doing a lot of designs with this because I just think it's amazing. Hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all another day.